Bob, you don't work hard enough. You need to go work harder and make more money.
Are you kidding? I work very hard compared to you.
I take care of your stepsister.
I don't see any problem in that.
She has a glass collection. She needs more of those.
No.
Why?
Who honestly needs a glass collection?
That's the only thing she has.
She has me.
She doesn't have money.
Neither do I.
Because you don't work hard enough.
I work as hard as I possibly can.
Well, make that harder.
Comfortable? So am I. Comfortable as a cow. Will you come have some gum?
No, thank you.
I think that I will indulge, with your permission. Think of the fortune by the guy that invented the first piece of chewing gum. Amazing, huh? The Wrigley Building. Your brother told me you're shy. Is that right, Laura? Singing? Me?
Yes, I remember what a beautiful voice you had.
When did you hear me sing? Oh, ye winds, hi-ho, I-roving I will go. I'm off, my love, with a beautiful boxing love, 10,000 miles away. You've heard me sing?
I can't really dance. I'm sorry.